light inside your eyes that made me feel at home. It wasn't moonlight, wasn't stars, it was your gentle glow that guided me through every night so long ago. When you would talk about your dreams, they burned so bright and free. You wanted all this world could give, and all the seas. I looked at you and saw much more than courage in your soul. I saw somebody born to live and never lose control. The light inside your eyes will stay with me forever. Though all the years go by, your memory lasts forever. The light inside your eyes has brightened up my way and carries me through lonely nights until another day. Sometimes I see a stranger with that sparkle in their smile, and for a little moment you come back for a while. Then I smile softly to myself with tears I cannot hide, for all the love you gave to me still shining deep inside. The light inside your eyes will stay with me forever. Though all the years go by, your memory lasts forever. The light inside your eyes has brightened up my way and carries me through lonely nights until another day.